Welcome to myself. We're gonna make creepy cookies.
With eyeballs.
With eyeball. Mom's gonna be my assistant because she's a witch. And she's very good at creepy everything, but I'm a skeleton. I'm gonna go make the cookies. See you later, Mama.
See you later. Tell me if you need any help.
Okay. First, we pour in the mix. Now it's out the pool. Come on, you're super slippery. Ho, 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 ho. First, just crack the egg bar and you don't monster cells. Ho, 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 ho. A terrifying monster. Ha, 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 ha. Woo. It's easier to make brains. Now for the fun part. Now pick up a piece of dough, put it in your hand and mold. You want it to roll into a little ball. This one will be the pieces. There! Oh, they're stuck together. I have to do it again. They're gonna be so yummy. It's gonna be so sticky because the butter is in it. If you eat cookie dough without baking it, you'll turn into a skeleton like me. That means you'll die. Oh my, look at this beautiful spread. Now we bake. I see some chocolate chips. Mama, the cookies are in the oven.
Perfect. Let's do the next step.
Okay. Oh, we're gonna make the icing the same color as the cookies. We're gonna pour a tiny bit of brown in there. Now you have to mix it up. Oh, oh, oh! Ah! We're all done mixing it. Now let's put it in this bag. Mama, please get the cookies out of the oven.
Okay.
Next up, making the eyeballs. Take some fondant and mix into a ball. Now these should look like this. Now we're gonna paint them. I like to paint my eyeballs blue because blue tastes the best.
I like brown eyeballs the best.
But I like blue ones. Now we're gonna add black for the pupil. I'm gonna put this eyeball on the cookie, and it doesn't really look like it. It doesn't have some black in it, but I like it blue. Blue tastes the best. Ah! These cookies are gonna be so yummy. And creepy.